Alright, so here it is. This is the bulb. Went out on my 300. Let's see if I can focus it in a little. As you can see, it's burnt, messed up a little. And at first I was having trouble. It's not really hard. I mean, it seems like maybe it's locked or something, but it's really not. Just gotta pull it out. Just give it a little nudge. And here is the new one. Right here. The new one right here. Brand new, 140 bucks, straight from AutoZone. All right. So basically all I'm gonna do is just connect it back to what it was. There you go. That's it. Alright. Now it's done, it's pretty simple. Once you carefully put it back in and reroute the wire to go around and underneath right here where this connector is at, and just make sure it's really easy to put back on. Just make sure the bottom is latched onto the groove over here. Keep your new H.I.D bulb inside. Let's see how it turns out. Of course, there's a big difference. In my lights, that one seems to be bluish, probably because it's soldered. This one seems to be crystal white. Yeah. A huge difference, but you know what? It's better than being pulled over and caught. And paying the ticket.